How's it going, guys? We got a box of 1819 Revolution Hoops. This is the Chinese New Year. These used to be value bin on sale. Couldn't give them away for 25 bucks. They've come up. Luka rookie year. This is for Mike R. Good luck, buddy. It's going middle box, right? Yep, middle box. Such a bright colored product. Yeah, Crowder. We've still got a couple cases left. If somebody had just bought it all, though, yeah. Put it away, it's gone up about 45% since. Sounds good, Eddie.
He's growing up just like my big
One more pack here. Another stack here.
Huge weakness. Mason Jones played like an NBA guy today. He was not player of the year. He was not accepting losing it.
I think when we go back and look at Warren's career, listen, and we're going to show one game. I always want to show this game, not even the Final Four run, because it was really just a grinding win. How were they able to win in Fayetteville like this? Well, I think some people will look at Frank Martin's teams and they grind it out.
Dirk. All right, buddy. See if we got some Trey and Luka Mojo here for you. Good luck. Let me get a little focus on. Hold on.
You see Trey Hannibal,
Thought I had
Jermaine
focus.
Couisnard. These are two strong guards that can break through and get to the rim.
CNY Rev? Yeah, that's what I'm ripping right now, but. Yep, it's on the website. Dirk and Paul George. We got a Josh Okogie. It's a New Year red rookie. There's your first rookie. Levine Collins, another rookie. Isaac Bonga. Joel Embiid's a Chinese New Year. Mitchell Curry. Miles Turner, New Year parallel. Carroll. Couple rookies. Kyrie Thomas. Mitchell Robinson is a New Year. Kemba and Hayward. Waiters is a New Year parallel. Another rookie. Keita Bates. Westbrook New Year. Mirotic and Brandon Ingram. Usually there's not any type of other parallels in here, but I'll check the backs just to be sure. There's the New Year Embiid. Should just be the New Year's that we notated. Yep, the Mitchell. All right, second half. Dwight Howard and a DeRozan. Landry Shamet, rookie, New Year. Yeah, the autos are tough. Mo Bamba, #1 pick. Nice Bamba. Bledsoe's a New Year parallel. Kevin Love, same thing. Two rookies, Bagley and Aaron Holiday is a New Year parallel. No Luka yet. Deontay Murray and Fultz. Here we go, end of the box, buddy. Last chance. Clay, Sweet Lou, Anthony Simons. Looks like a different parallel, but no. Joe Ingles is the last New Year parallel, and we got John Wall. No rookie. Jared Allen, buddy. No Luka. Just check, make sure. Nothing else on the parallels on the back. We thought at first that there weren't any, but we've actually had a couple that had some that weren't just New Year's. And they do have those green ones, too. Those are all just regular New Year's. There we go.
I thought I'd lost my business in that fire.
No Luka, no Trey. None of the big boys. Couple nice cards. There you go, Mike. Need anything else? You know what to do, my friend.